You can tell what today's video is going to be about. It is not sponsored. I purchased this myself from SKXMod. I bought this particular Casio AE1200 deliberately to use for an SKXMod project. So let's take a look at what we have inside here. Nice instruction guide. Safe packaging. We've got some tools here. Let's just check them out. We've got screws, tweezers. I'm sort of 50-50 about whether packs like this should include these tools, because every time you buy one, you end up with another bunch of tools. And does the world really need that many tools? I think there's plenty of tools in the world already. That looks useful. Let's check this out. So I actually bought this bronze case with the FKM rubber strap with a bronze buckle. I figured that would be hard to get matching because bronze comes in different flavors, different colors. Oh yeah, that's going to look great. Really looking forward to getting that on there. And let's have a look at the case. Get these tools out of the way. Unwrap it. Oh yeah. Look at that baby. Wow, that looks really serious. Very Bioshock, very steampunk. There's the case back. That's really just for shipping. I'm going to use my own case back, as it says in the instructions. And I'll be peeling this little sticker off. Maybe we'll do this real time on the video, if I can do it, with my... Yes. Oh, that looks really, really clear. Cannot wait to get that on. This is going to look killer together. What else does it come with? So aside from the tools, get a couple of spare rubber gaskets, spring bars, screws. It's very important to use the screws that are designed for this case, not the original. Okay, let's get to this. Wow, that looks killer. I think this looks better than the original AE1200 faceplate. And I prefer it to the SKXMod ones because it actually has Casio on it. Because Casio made it, and that's cool. So, bronze buttons, bronze side. Bronze buckle matching. I don't know if it has patina on it already. I guess not. It's just sort of dry looking. Like it needs to go for a swim. Let's get a deeper shot there. Oh, my 17-inch. 17-inch? Whoa. 7-inch. 18 centimeter wrist. Let's kill that light. And, well, so I've got a couple of lights. Leave a little bit of light going there. That's okay. Just so we can see how cool that looks. That looks cool. Really nice. Awesome stuff. Casio AE1200 with SKX mods. One keeper there. It's a thick one. It's fine. It's not a very thick FKM rubber strap, but it feels nice. And it's basically the same as the kind of black resin ones you get with various AE1200 models. Loving it. Let's get some B-roll.